Welcome back to Silicophilic. Windows 11 usually handles SSD optimization automatically, but I still wanted to make sure everything was actually working as it should. So here is how I checked if trim is enabled and my SSD is being optimized properly. Understanding how Windows treats SSDs differently. While I was checking this, I realized something important. Windows actually treats SSDs very differently from traditional hard drives. Instead of defragmenting them, it uses trimming to keep performance smooth. And this isn't just how it looks. Microsoft actually confirms this. Windows automatically optimizes drives for performance. SSDs are trimmed rather than defragmented, and you can manually check the status or even adjust the optimization schedule from the defragment and optimize drives tool. So even though it says optimize, what's really happening in the background for SSDs is trim, not defragmentation. What's happening in the background? What trim is. Before checking anything, I wanted to understand what trim actually does. In simple terms, trim helps your SSD clean up unused data blocks in the background. This keeps the drive running smoothly and maintains performance over time. The good thing is, Windows already does this automatically for SSDs, but I still wanted to verify it myself. Checking if Windows is already optimizing my SSD GUI method. So I started with the easiest way. I searched for defragment and optimize drives from the start menu and opened it. Then I selected my SSD from the list. Right away, I could see its status and optimization type. For SSDs, Windows doesn't actually defragment. Instead, it shows optimized, which means trim is being used. This gave me a quick confirmation that Windows was already handling things properly. Double checking trim with a command. To be absolutely sure, I ran a quick command. I opened command prompt as an administrator and typed the below commands. Then I hit enter. This command directly tells you whether trim is enabled or not. Now this part can be confusing. If the result shows disable delete notify equals 0, then trim is enabled. If it disable delete notify equals 1, then trim is disabled. So in my case, saying 0 meant everything was working exactly as it should. Checking if optimization runs automatically. Schedule check. I also wanted to make sure Windows was actually running this automatically. I checked it in the same tool, so open the defragment and optimize drives tool. Then I looked at the bottom section where it says scheduled optimization. Here you will see if it's on or off. If it's on, you will also see how often it runs, usually weekly by default. To check or change it, click on the change settings button. Now you can turn scheduled optimization on or off. Choose how often it runs, daily, weekly or monthly, and select which drives are included. If your SSD is selected and the schedule is enabled, then Windows is automatically optimizing it in the background. So once I confirmed this was turned on, I knew I didn't have to worry about manually optimizing my drive anymore. Final thoughts before you leave it alone. After going through all this, I realized something important. Most of the time, Windows already handles SSD optimization perfectly. You don't need to tweak anything, you just need to verify it once. So that's how I checked if trim is enabled on my SSD in Windows 11. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.